तिम्रो व्यवसाय कस्तो चल्दैछ? How is your business doing? How is your business doing? राम्रो चल्दैछ अथवा राम्रै चल्दैछ? It is doing pretty well. It is doing pretty well. के तिमी उसलाई चिन्छौ? Do you know him? Do you know him? ऊ मेरो बाल्यकालको साथी हो. Yes, he is my childhood friend. Yes, he is my childhood friend. तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल. तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. अगाडि बढौं. Let's move forward. के मैले राम्रो गरे? Did I do good? Did I do good? तपाईले गजबको काम गर्नुभएको छ. You have done a magnificent job. You have done a magnificent job. magnificent. 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 You have done a magnificent job. तिमी अहिले कहाँ छौ? Where are you right now? Where are you right now? उत्तरमा म एयरपोर्टमा छु. I'm at the airport. I'm at the airport. के बैंक यहाँबाट टाढा छ? Is the bank far from here? Is the bank far from here? यहाँबाट धेरै टाढा छैन. It's not too far from here. It's not too far from here. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru, if you haven't subscribed already. Your channel र हाम्रो online class. दुवै च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरेर सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला. तिमीले यो किन किन्यौ? Why did you buy it? Why did you buy it? मैले यो किने किनकि मलाई यो मन पर्यो. I bought it because I liked it. I bought it because I liked it. के तिमी पनि यो गर्न सक्छौ? Can you do it too? Can you do it too? म अरूहरू जतिकै राम्रो छु. I'm as good as everyone else. I'm as good as everyone else. के तपाई धेरै पैसा खर्च गर्नुहुन्छ? Do you spend too much money? Do you spend too much money? आफ्नो आम्दानी भन्दा धेरै पैसा खर्च गर्नु हुँदैन. You should not spend more than you earn. You should not spend more than you earn. Earn भनेको कमाउनु र spend भनेको चाहिँ खर्च गर्नु. You should not spend more than you earn. यसको अर्को पनि उत्तर आफ्नो कमाई भन्दा खर्च धेरै नगर. Don't spend more than you earn. Don't spend more than you earn. तिमी किन गुनासो गरिरहेका थियौ? Why were you complaining? Why were you complaining? किनकि मलाई खाना मन परेन. Because I didn't like the food. Because I didn't like the food. के म पैसा पछि तिर्न सक्छु? Can I pay the money later? Can I pay the money later? तपाईले अग्रिम पैसा तिर्नै पर्छ. You must pay in advance. You must pay in advance. Be sure to like and share this video. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. के पैसा तिम्रो लागि महत्त्वपूर्ण छ? Is money important to you? Is money important to you? म पैसाको पछाडि भाग्ने मान्छे होइन. I am not a person who runs after money. I am not a person who runs after money. यसको अर्को पनि उत्तर छ. पैसा हामी सबैको लागि धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण छ. Money is very important to all of us. Money is very important to all of us. के तिमी मसँग झुटो बोल्दै थियौ? Were you lying to me? Were you lying to me? कहिल्यै झुटो बोल्नु हुँदैन. You should never lie. You should never lie. कृपया म अब जान सक्छु? Can I please go now? Can I please go now? यदि तिमी अहिले गयौ भने म तिमीसँग कहिल्यै बोल्ने छैन. If you go now, I will never talk to you. If you go now, I will never talk to you. के यहाँ केही भयो? Did something happen here? Did something happen here? केही भयो भने मलाई जानकारी दिनु. Let me know if something happens. Let me know if something happens. तिमी किन त्यसरी बोल्दैछौ? Why are you talking like that? Why are you talking like that? म थाकेको छु त्यसैले. I'm tired, that's why. I'm tired, that's why. Tired यसको अर्थ थाकेको. I'm tired, that's why. के तपाई काठमाडौँमा बस्ने गर्नुहुन्थ्यो? Did you used to live in Kathmandu? Did you used to live in Kathmandu? हो, तर अहिले म पोखरामा बस्छु. Yes, but now I live in Pokhara. Yes, but now I live in Pokhara. के मैले सहयोग गर्न सक्ने केही छ? Is there anything I can do to help? Is there anything I can do to help? यदि मलाई मद्दत चाहिन्छ भने म तपाईलाई भन्ने छु. I will tell you if I need help. I will tell you if I need help. मलाई तिम्रो दैनिक जीवनको बारेमा भन. Tell me about your daily life. Tell me about your daily life. मसँग भन्ने कुरा धेरै छैन. I don't have much to say. I don't have much to say. तिमी के गर्दैछौ? What are you doing? What are you doing? म मेरी आमासँग खाना पकाउँदैछु. I'm cooking with my mother. I'm cooking with my mother. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care. Have a great day.